Not yet. I'll tell you when. Yeah. Okay, start it up. When did it start? Like when you're just driving?
We were at the traffic light and then the car just vibrated.
Vibrating, huh? Yeah, that's pretty hard. Yeah, let me check.
Oil change.
It got oil. But I think it could be your alternator. The bearing. And then this is so loud over here on this side. And I could smell it. You just changed this, yeah? See, it's not making any noise. It's getting hot too, this bearing in here and just making a noise. You have to replace the whole thing, you can't just replace the bearing. You need a belt too, look, it's cracked. You see the cracks here?
Okay.
Yeah, you need a belt too.
Question.
Oh, baby. Yes, baby.
I must say when you go.
Go where?
To get done.
I'll tell you when I'm gonna go, okay?
Okay, I miss you.
Love you.
Love you, love you.
Chevy Trailblazer.
Bearing's done.
Yep.
Make sure everything matches.
Yeah.
Casing, that's correct. 3-pin one.
Yeah, cool, brother.
Cool.
Yeah.